in this neighborhood. He just made another hard turn. He's going to put himself back into the area where all the cul-de-sacs are. That black and white, this is going to be his opportunity. But again, this deputy, a lone deputy in that vehicle, and this possibly an armed suspect, I find it hard to believe because of their protocols that they'll be able to just go wide, just go wide. He's going to confront him right there. And he's going right by him. And there's another deputy, whoa, almost T-boned him right there. So it is on again. And this type of high-speed driving and carelessness and recklessness, and Marla, that's the reason why they pulled the plug on it to begin with. Whoa! Oh, head-on collision. Oh, head-on collision. And he's keeping going. And he's keeping going. Look at that. And so you've got a civilian, basically that car in reverse right now. Deputies are going to go make sure that at least one deputy out already. These are one of the things that I always, in these pursuits, when there's an accident like that, the compassion of some of these first responders, that deputy stopping the pursuit and getting out to make sure that that's that innocent person okay. Now that Mercedes still going.